Alright, let's see what we're doing on the map.
Where 9's going.
Let's see what command's saying.
It's gonna be airfield.
So airfield's here. They're gonna get a hab. 8 minutes till the enemy tank or our tank is up. They have an M60. Should be up soon. Probably when our tank comes up. They have one chopper. Let's start up here. I am going to
Is your next guess that the
place a marker there.
the red arrows? Is that accurate?
Come down south and then come up north.
4th points are gonna be on operation south.
See, I like this because it's really smooth. Carries inertia very well. Stops when I want it to stop. Not going to turn in yet. Looking around. Yeah, these hills are going to be a little bit of a challenge. Let's see if I can find a clear spot here when I come into land.
And then Lodges can come pick it up if needed. Or until then, you know what I mean?
Let's flare a bit here.
We got 2 bars, he smokes. Heli, we are planning on...
We're just going to keep resupplying that hab. Looks like 10's going to be doing some scouting.
We just ran into 2 labs northeast airfield.
Alright, back to the hab we're going. We'll do the same approach path here coming in from the south. Southeast, south, whatever.
Where 8's at right now, it might be one of their 3rd points over here. This is also their 5th point on enemy heli marker.
And we're out of here. Didn't even have to land. And egress through the trees. Is that enemy chopper? Yeah, that is the enemy chopper. Enemy helo north of Novo.
Heli, whenever you get a chance, can we get a resupply on the M11 half? Please and thank you.
Is it safe to land?
50-50. Up to you. You're more than welcome to land wherever. We don't have any enemies in the area right now.
God, sounds good. I could be coming in from the east.
Cars heading east, north of Novo.
I'm coming left 10. Alright, we're coming in. I think we need to slow down here a bit. That should be our little green zone right in front of me here. Just here over the trees.
Thank you, Heavy.
I'm getting shot at. My hell's getting shot at. It's the enemy helo. That's 10.
Yeah, they don't really okay, there maybe.
Can we get one more resupply helis? M11, resupply M11. 50-50.
What are we doing there, dude? Yeah, we got like a whole fucking squad or 2 over there. Like, what are you doing? Isn't a small map like Cora where you can just like fucking fuck off on a non-objective?
Our plan right here for this hab is to intercept all vehicles. This is a main road that could be used to like sneak between Novo and East Mogi Lovo.
Bro, you do that with like one or two people.
Really not on this squad.
Not a whole fucking squad, bro. Welcome to fucking GTA. You don't do dumb shit. Or like 2 people or 3 people max doing that. You need to get your squad. Mogi, please. Or no.
Heli's gonna drop supplies on Mike 14 hab. It's my landing zone in front of me. I gotta make sure I clear those trees first. Should be good here. Let's hover. And we're out. Seven, I'm gonna come in and resupply that hab. Ten, are you seeing anything over there?
I'm being shot by a chopper. I haven't seen the tank, but he's not in main. One tank is left.
Squad 2, Squad 9. Squad 9, can you tell your guy to go to Squad 2 and get a fob up there?
You're trying to place a hab?
Yes.
Gotcha, stand by. Just make sure no enemies are in the area.
If you place a hab there, the heli's probably gonna get shot down, and your hab will get farmed by the 25 mil cars driving circles around it.
Nice, you got it on the ground. So we're not trying to place a hab on East Mowgli. That's a no-go.
We can place a hab on East Moog if we take it, but like place it in a building or place it on West Moog in a building. But if you place it in the field where it's marked, like it's just gonna get destroyed by armor and mortars.
I getcha.
Struck down, like it's not gonna do any good.
Start a bogey. Tank is marked. Got a parge near him too.
Yeah, I think that's what was shooting the heli at me earlier. Dang, trying to shoot me down. I'm gonna go back here to land.
Try to move up.
Heading back to main here. Across this mountain, and then we should be in visual for the main helipad here. Good drop off, I think. I think my flare was a little bit too long, and that's what got me shot by the PARs. We'll land here and then resupply. Maybe get another attack hab going for the team. We'll see. See where 10 is. Not in the area. See how our team's doing. Strong push there on the east side on East Mowgli. I'll take that. Let's zoom in here. A lot of pressure. How's the cap on East Mowgli? I'm gonna stay south of 10 here.
10, can you go check if the enemy MBT left main or not?
There's 10.
Can you please get a fob up inside Mogi, please? Somebody do that. 7, what's up with your thing there?
10, what happened?
ABC shot me with the chopper.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Enemies on Nova 11.
Little dogfight there. See if we can see any armor here on the west side. East Mowgli.
Do we know where tank's at? Can we get a heli to scout?
Well, I'm scouting.
The reason why we fucking lost that point is because nobody fucking came to me with that logic truck to get a fob up. Tell your guys who have control
Tank
of
on
logic
5
trucks to
observe.
go and do things that-
Hey, is that tank mark still accurate 8?
Is a tank marker accurate?
I'm gonna do a flyby 3.
Yeah, tank's down.
Copy.
Tank's dead or cars destroyed? 50 kill. Tank's down or tracked, guys?
It's completely down.
Tank's dead.
Dead.
7, there should be a heal on my 6. 7.
Spud, do you think you could resupply this hab?
Yeah, a Novo? Yeah, I'm coming in.
Yeah. I want to get some build on it so I can get a forward hab from another logic.
Yeah, I got 600.
That's the enemy heli on the
Yep,
left.
it is. Get on the right side. That's friendly.
That was just scared him.
Help drop supplies.
We're gonna go put a fob right up.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna depart here to the south. Back to base we go. Yeah, I agree. I'm on your left, 10.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, so we're gonna head to west. We're gonna head to west and then cut up straight north and then land south of the hab here on East Mowgli. Resupply it.
West Meadow.
Good job on the cap.
Yeah, you gotta be quick then. They said there's a tank.
Yep, just help me out.
Is there helicopter right? Just
5.
Yes.
You scout enemy MBT. He should be north side of Moog.
Stand by, drop supplies first. Supplies.
Tank and scout.
Yeah, let's go.
You wanted a scout for a tank, you said that, right?
Yeah.
Copy, a scout. We're gonna be on the lookout for a tank here. Keep your eyes up.
7, can you stay still? Yeah.
Where's the tank?
They're
Where do you
gonna
see it?
first. You do realize that, right?
Yeah, we're standing so.
Not you. The Bradley's still driving.
It's on 5 observe, moving east, hitting that 4-way.
5. Okay.
I don't see anything. I'm scanning. On my observe on 5. Who's moving north? Let's be on the lookout for a tank. We're gonna help squad 3.
Okay.
Yep, squad 3 wants to know.
There might be one south side, but
It's been hit
I think I
by,
see it down the
air
MSR here to the west.
Yeah, maybe.
12
yeah,
o'clock.
that way.
Yep, I think that's him.
Seven, that shit was on fire, wasn't it?
On 5-3, on 5 observe tank moving west down the MSR. Good shot.
Yeah, it looks like he's down.
That's good. Let's see if we can resupply the hab here from the south, kind of where 10's doing. You guys still want East Mowgli resupplied? See if we can find infantry on the west side of East Mowgli. How's coming in to resupply East Mowgli if it's not too hot? Stay on the left side. I'm gonna go resupply the hab. I would expect infantry from the northwest and the west.
Smokey first with the ammo, will you, 10?
I'm gonna left.
And the other heli.
Copy, thank you. Copy, we'll do squad 5. That's 10 off there to my left side. 10 even. 8, you're gonna see a heli to your south, enemy heli.
5, he's definitely dropping a bunch of ammo on the course.
Drop the supplies.
We should be getting. Oh, listen, you have a mic.
West Mowgli resupplied. I am bleeding.
Wait, how you can't get shot? The bullet will fire now.
I'm bleeding.
Oh, then you go land somewhere before you die. You're gonna crash the helicopter.
Yeah, but we're getting shot at. Go, 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 go. Heli's gonna go resupply West Mowgli. 10, be advised of my move mark. I'll be landing on that upper half.
Ellie, pull off. There's a fucking tank that didn't get marked.
Yeah. Oh.
Where's this tank?
Apparently there wasn't a tank marked. That's interesting.
My teammate just reported
Who's
the radio
that?
should be
And
going
they didn't
down
mark
any
it?
second now.
That's what they said. You guys want a crappie hab resupplied?
BFK on the northern side of Crappie.
Copy, I'll try to resupply copy hab. Crappie hab.
Once I start learning flying, I never had a chance to fly in a live server. Everybody's took it from me.
I see.
Good, GG.
Hell yeah, we did it!
Hey, my squad did that single-handedly. Squad 9. Top of the leaderboard, boys.
This one go
Good job.
Fuck you. I think my kills were at 8.
Number 1.